sorry for this disconvenience, and I'm really sorry. I don't know what is happening for this. So, hello everyone, and greetings for Bangladesh, and welcome to my presentation on Western community-based conservation and population assessment of endangered Western Huluk gibbon in Bangladesh. I am Tarik Kabir, PhD candidate of School of Biological Science, University of Malaysia, and principal investigator of Western Huluk gibbon conservation and research project in Bangladesh. Please move next slide. And Dr. Shahrul Anur Mohammad Shah, Dr. Susan Lapan, Dr. Thar Bartlett, Dr. Susan Anthony, and Dr. M. Farida Hassan are also involving in this project as a research advisor, and Malaysian Primatological Society and ISN section on small apes are also involving as a partner organization. Please next. And 10 species of non-human primates are known to be occur in Bangladesh. Among them, Western Huluk gibbon, Burmese long-tailed macaque, Ferris leaf monkey are considered as a critically endangered species in Bangladesh, and Bengal slow loris, northern pigtail macaque, Assamese macaque, Cape langur, northern plains grey langur are considered as a endangered species. But the status of stump-tailed macaque in Bangladesh is uncertain. Please next slide. Western Huluk gibbon is a endangered species globally and critically endangered species in Bangladesh. It is legally protected by the Wildlife Conservation and Security Act 2012. Western Huluk gibbon is also known as white-browed gibbon and found in dense forest in India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and possibly also Tibet. Only a species which is native in Indian subcontinent, and Western Huluk gibbon live in small family groups of up to 6, and adult monogamous group consisting of adult monogamous pair and offspring. And Western Huluk gibbon is also a territorial primate species. And Western Huluk gibbon are famous for his songs, and songs can be heard from a long distance, even though 1 kilometer, and it is a mainly frugivorous species. And please. And male Western Huluk gibbon have a black pelage, whereas females are creamy whitish in color with dark hair on the chest and neck. Please. And distribution of the Western Huluk gibbon in Bangladesh are northeast, southeast, and southern Bangladesh. Red rectangle inside the map of Bangladesh shows the distributional range of Western Huluk gibbon in Bangladesh. Please. Next slide. Islam et al. First take attempt to count the Western Huluk gibbon. Please, previous slide. Islam et al. First take an attempt. Okay, earlier side, please, earlier side. A major project activities. Now, please, before earlier side, please. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you. Islam et al. First did the take attempt to count the Western Huluk gibbon in Bangladesh, and 282 individuals of gibbon are known to occur in Bangladesh, and Nahar et al. Predicted that 468 gibbons are 68 gibbons known to be at the forest of Bangladesh by distance sampling, but exact number is unknown. Habitat destruction, illegal encroachment, agriculture expansion, and hunting are the major threats to the Western Huluk gibbon of Bangladesh. Please. Please, next slide. Yeah, major project activities include population census and monitoring with direct involvement of local community, habitat restoration program at highly threatened gibbon habitat at Sheikh Jamal Inani National Park, capacity building among local community for sustainability of the project, awareness program to develop positive attitude among relevant stakeholders, annual celebration of International Gibbon Day. Please. Major major achievement in terms of high identification of more than 10 new and unknown gibbon habitats of Bangladesh, restoration of gibbon habitats at highly threatened and fragmented forest habitat at Sheikh Jamal Inani National Park, positive behavioral changes among the relevant stakeholders toward the gibbon conservation, and capacity building of the local community to conduct the population monitoring and awareness program. Please. And project has already collected the data on baseline population information at almost all the known gibbon habitat in southern, northeast, and southeast Bangladesh. Please. And project has been identifying more than 10 new and unknown gibbon habitats of Bangladesh, which is situated in southern, southeast, and northeast Bangladesh. And there's of the picture of new and unknown gibbon habitats of Bangladesh. Please. And local community play a vital role to identification of new and unknown gibbon habitats. With the support from the local community, it would not definitely possible to identify the unknown gibbon habitat of Bangladesh with a extensive field work. Please. And this project has conducted habitat restoration program at highly threatened gibbon habitat at Sheikh Jamal Inani National Park. And already this project has planted about 5,200 seedlings of 13 species of native fooder trees of gibbon at Sheikh Jamal Inani National Park. Please. And this is the important food species of western Hulluck gibbon. First one is Ficus nervosa, and second one is gibbon consuming the leaves of Syzygium. Please. And major planted seedlings for different type of figs, Mangifera longai, Bombat species, Artocarpus lacucha, Heliocarpus tectorius, Garcinia kawa, Syzygium species, Proteum serratum, Anthocephala chinensis. Please. And this is a typical plantation site at Sheikh Jamal Inani National Park. This area is avoid of large and middle canopy trees, and this habitat also dominated by Asian elephant, and the habitat rapidly this habitat is rapidly declining by the massive threats. Please. And we also established a tree nursery for raising the native seedlings at the near of Sheikh Jamal Inani National Park. Please. And this is the picture of some different seedlings of tree species. First one is Ficus bengalensis, second one is Ficus religiosa, and third one is Syzygium cumini, and fourth one is Artocarpus chama, and fifth one is Mangifera longus and Heliocarpus tectorius. Please. And this is the various habitat restoration activities at Sheikh Jamal Inani National Park. We have conducted these activities without any destroy of the natural germination. And please. And this is the planted seedlings of Anthocephala chinensis, and third one is second one is Elaeocarpus, and third one is Syzygium species. Please. Please. As usual, we have celebrated International Gibbon Day 2020 at Kaptai National Park. Kaptai National Park is a significant and one of the largest gibbon habitats of Bangladesh. Higher Forest Department official, leading conservationist of Bangladesh, co-management community petrol group, local community peoples, forest dependent people, and indigenous people were present in this occasion. Project has distributed t-shirt and a small souvenir to the participants, and this is a unique way to gather all type of people in a same platform and for raising the positive behavioral attitude towards the gibbon conservation. Please. Please, next slide. We also conducted 5 consultation program at significant gibbon habitats in Bangladesh, and about 120 participants are present in this event. Local forest department staff, community petrol group, co-management persons from the co-management community, local communities, and forest department, forest dependent people are present in this event. And we have provided a small souvenir, and we also made a talk for the sustainable gibbon conservation in Bangladesh as well as this area. And please. We have conducted several community outreach program, and about 1,800 participants were attended in this event. During the community outreach program, we also provide calendar, some sorts of refreshment, and we also made an open discussion for raising the awareness towards the gibbon conservation as well as other wildlife species, and we also discussed how to manage or prevent the hunting of other wildlife in that area. And please. And first 2 pictures that we have distributed calendar to the indigenous people of Bangladesh, and we are happy to share the information that the indigenous people are eagerly join in our various conservation activities. Please. And we also distributed awareness materials among forest dependent people, a small shopkeepers, and the forest timber collection from various gibbon habitat in Bangladesh. And please. And school education program is another component of this project. We have conducted school education program at 16 different schools at the nearest school of gibbon habitat in Northeast, Southeast, and Southern Bangladesh. During the school education program, we also provided small calendar and small gift like pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener to the school children. Please. Please. Yeah. And without the capacity building of the local community people, project activities will not be sustainable. This indigenous person was a traditional hunter, but now he is involving as a research assistant uh, in this project, and he did not hunt any wildlife. Now, please. And these two persons are each now much capable and efficient to conduct any the conservation activities independently, including the population census and monitoring. And already 9 persons from the local communities people are actively involving in the various project activities in uh, several given habitats in Bangladesh. Please. And we also distributed 2000 calendars to the local forestry staff, local community people, indigenous people, and forest dependent people. We also distributed 160 pieces t-shirt to the relevant stakeholders. Please. And already we have published a scientific article on population assessment of endangered western hulluk gibbon and conservation significance of the site for the Inani Sheikh Jamal National Park in the Journal of Chet and Taxa. And my research collaborator and leading gibbon expert was also a co-author for this published article. Please. Not only western hulluk gibbon, but other wildlife species will also get benefit from our gibbon conservation project. Sheikh Jamal Inani National Park is a Asian elephant dominated area. Definitely, Asian elephant will get benefit from our habitat restoration program. During our implementation of project activity, we had encountered a traditional turtle hunter at our project site. After sensitization program, we successfully released back this turtle species into the nature, and that was the Asiatic soft-shell turtle, Amida catinellagenia, which is a critically endangered species of Bangladesh and vulnerable globally. Please. Please next. I am really grateful to Dr. Nadine Rupatal, Project Advisor, Malaysian Primatological Society, Bangladesh Forest Department, and local community for the generous support, and definitely Rupert Foundation small grant for the financial support. We also thank you to BCCSL for inviting me for this presentation. Please next slide. Please next slide. And I am really sorry for this inconvenience, because I actually don't know why my sharing screen is not shown in this Zoom platform, and sorry for this inconvenience. And thank you for all the participants who give time to hear my presentation. If you have any question, please let me know. or you also can write in chat box or in my email ID at tarikkabir84@gmail.com. And thank you very much to all, and